continuously doing this thing to enrich your data all the time. So what we've done with this thing, okay, we talked more about a lot of things around Analytics Center of Excellence, how it has been set up and some functionalities and all that. So what did we achieve with these things, okay? There in South Africa, what we've done is we did a substation automation project. So the challenge typically was the device level data being the substation level data coming from the devices is isolated completely, and OT structures are different to the IT structures, which is a common challenge. I think there are a few presentations that people are going to do about the gap between the IT and OT. And the large volumes of the real-time data in a typical device level data, you have sub-second information, and sub-second information is large. You don't know which one to pick for, and a lack of communication within the grid was one of the challenges that they had. So what we've done is we've taken a common substation setup. You have a substation, and then you have a lot of monitoring devices within the substation. The data comes in there, you have a data collector that collects the information from the monitoring devices. And then the device level monitoring control gives you information only at that level, right? So it can do the monitoring and control, but it is not reporting, it's not intelligent enough to tell you what it is. So we brought in the interface that can take the data from the data collector into a data server, but now this information is everything. It's all substation level data at the substation, right? But then we can take it further. We can say all substation level reporting can be done at a substation now with a data server existing, right? But that's not enough. So what is the potential? So what we've done is we've taken that setup, moved it further. We created a substation information services layer. This is completely SIM compliant, by the way. The common information model compliant. So the data from the substation is set into a SIM compliant structures, and then it's taken into the substation services. And then this is now not everything, obviously, it is selective data. And then there's a rules engine, right, that can configure your rules. We call it object communication setup. You configure them, and then you can execute. The rules are now run on the event data on the fly, real time, and produces on a line diagram at a substation level, passing alerts onto the picture. So we haven't used SCADA or anything, right? We've used the monitoring devices, connected directly to the monitoring devices, pulled in the data, and then taken it into the data server, and through the services layer exposed it to the, okay, and extending it further, we created an SDK which can allow, so it can be extended to build applications, web applications, and mobile applications that can be done on top of it. So imagine the same setup now within two substations. They can communicate within each other, and this is the step that we are currently working with. We have created a situational awareness center for them that gets that information within time. Now, for this to work, obviously, if all the data structures are in a common information structure, so it allows any outside tool, any other technology to seamlessly integrate without being fussy about the source systems or any other systems. So yeah, okay. There is another case study, but I'll drop that and let the other speakers speak. But guys, that's more about it. Maybe let me just run through the last slide.